Hey guys, today I'm going to be showing you how I'm creating my background to my very own puppet show. So my story is going to be taking place outside, which is why you see clouds here. I started off with just using two big long sheets of white paper. One is going to be the backdrop and one is going to be the floor. To stand up the background, I took two things that are about the same size that this paper can sit up against, just like that. So see, the paper standing up because of these two cups. So I put those there, and then I stand the background up. Another great idea would be using a chair to stand this paper up against the back and put this paper against the seat. So that's the background. I started by drawing clouds on my background and a sun. So I just used the crayons that were provided, took the blue, colored the clouds, and then I took the yellow and colored the sun. I also used a pipe cleaner to do the outline of the sun right there. But just so you know, I had to use tape here to tape the pipe cleaner down because glue does not work very well. Now, the next thing I did was I created some trees because I wanted a 3D effect. Everything doesn't have to be drawn on. You can also create things that stand out, like these trees. These trees I made are made of a toilet paper roll and construction paper. I have green and brown construction paper, and what I did was I took these toilet paper rolls and I measured the brown paper first, and how I measured it was I put it against this and I take a pencil and I mark the end of that right there. That's how long it is. And then you roll the paper around and until it's covered right here, that's where you'll mark it again. Then you cut out a square. It's going to be a rectangle actually. Then you cut that out. It doesn't need to be perfect. You cut out your rectangle, you have your toilet paper roll, and you use your glue to glue that to the paper, to the toilet paper roll. So I'm just gonna put glue all over. Then I'm gonna take the toilet paper roll, stick it like that, and roll it around. And see, it didn't come out quite perfect. There was a little space left, but that's okay because you can turn that to the back and no one will ever notice. So this is how I created the bark, the tree trunks. I have 3 trees here ready for their tops, and I created the leaves of the trees by taking a big green piece of construction paper and tearing it in half like this. It doesn't really matter how you tear it, you just tear it in half, and then you take this piece and you start to crumple it up. And there goes all of my trees. You can set them wherever you would like on here. This one keeps falling off. You can stick it in there a little bit, stick it in the bottom a little bit, and it stays a little better. Look at all these trees. We can move them out if you'd like, but remember you're gonna have a puppet right here as well, so you wanna make sure there's enough room. So, once I have my trees made, the only other thing that I was thinking about doing to my puppet show background is making some water down here. So what I wanted to do was just draw with my blue crayon a river. That's my river that I just drew, and what I'm gonna do is color my river in. Again, it does not need to be perfect. This is just for us to have fun with. So this is my river. You can draw rocks, grass. You can put a house maybe in the background if you'd like, or a barnyard. If you're doing maybe a zoo or a safari, you could draw a truck. You can draw the animals. You can do really whatever you'd like to do and wherever your imagination takes you with this. So that's my puppet show background. Thank you guys for listening.